Tired of seeing items way out of your budget on eBay? Learn the hidden advanced search trick to filter by exact price range instantly. It's such a common frustration. You type in exactly what you want, and then you have to scroll through page after page of things that are either way too expensive or suspiciously cheap. That browsing time adds up fast, and it kills the excitement of finding a good deal. So here's what we're going to do. First, I'll show you where to find the advanced search option. Then we'll set your minimum and maximum prices. And finally, you'll browse only the items that actually fit your budget. All right, let's start. Open your browser and go to ebay.com. I know, that sounds obvious, but stick with me, because the magic happens in the next few steps. You just want the standard eBay homepage for this, nothing fancy. Now, go ahead and type the item you're looking for into the search bar. It can be anything: a vintage camera, a specific video game, a piece of furniture, whatever you've got in mind. Just enter your search term, but don't hit the search button yet. That's important. We're not done setting things up. See that little link that says Advanced? It's usually on the right side of the search bar, right next to the search button. It's easy to miss because it's not bold or flashy, but that tiny link is your golden ticket. Click on it. This opens up eBay's hidden search tool, the one most people never bother with. And here's the thing. Once you know this feature exists, you'll wonder how you ever shopped on eBay without it. Now you're looking at a page with a lot of fields and options. Don't get overwhelmed. We only care about one specific section here. Scroll down past all the checkboxes and dropdowns until you find the section labeled Price. It's usually about halfway down the page. You'll see two blank boxes, one for a minimum price and one for a maximum price. And here's the really important part. Type your minimum price in the first box and your maximum price in the second box. For example, if you want to spend between $10 and $50, put 10 in the first box and 50 in the second. This tells eBay, show me only the items that cost at least this much, but no more than that. It instantly cuts out all the noise. No more scrolling past $1,000 listings when you only have $50. Once you've entered your price range, click the search button. Let eBay do its thing for a second. And now look at those results. Every single item on this page falls within your budget. That's it. No surprises, no disappointment. Just a clean list of exactly what you were hoping to find. Go ahead and browse through them. Click on anything that catches your eye. You'll notice how much faster and more enjoyable this feels. You're not wasting mental energy filtering stuff out in your head. eBay did the hard work for you. And that's really all there is to it. Next time you're shopping on eBay, just remember that little advanced link. It completely changes how you shop. No more aimless scrolling, no more budget confusion. Just you, your price range, and the perfect item at the right price. Happy hunting!